Hello, 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 and welcome to the Rhonda Said channel. How are you? I hope you're having a great day or day of your choice. I'm going to ask you to like, comment, subscribe, and ring the bell down below. And oop, missing a fingernail, but that's okay. Get an appointment for tomorrow. So, okay. Anyway, today we're going to be doing a look with the Bridgerton palette from Pat McGrath. And it is a beautiful palette. Stunning. Look at that shimmer. So beautiful. These colors are going to make a beautiful look. Neutral with a little pop of pizzazz. And I bet you'd like to see what they look like swatched, wouldn't you? I needed to see them swatched as well. So with the magic 1, 2, 3, you shall see. Bam! It starts here and goes all the way to there. 6 colors. And look at that shimmer. It is blinding. And I can't wait to put it on my eyeballs and make a look with it. And this is very pigmented. It's taken a second to get it off my arm because it's so gorgeous. It's gorgeous. Gorgeous. We love it. We love Pat McGrath. I've got quite a few Pat McGrath palettes, and I even have Pat McGrath blush and highlight on. A little subtle, a little je ne sais quoi, a little laissez-faire bon temps. I'm not from New Orleans, but I like to pretend. You know, it's nice to pretend you're from somewhere else sometimes. And I'm going to start off with this beautiful pink in my crease. I didn't go too heavy because I just want to have a color to build up. But it's absolutely beautiful. Dip back in. I look so great with the little pink afterglow that's in my hair. Beauteous. I just love working with these kind of great buildable pigments, and they're so smooth and they just go on effortlessly. And that is just a beautiful start to this look. And I'm going to go into this color here for the outside corner and crease. Bam! Picked it up nice and easy. It is a beautiful shimmer. It is going on like this beautiful shimmery plum, kind of a cool tone plum. And this is looking spectacular already. I'm very happy with this so far. I'm going to go into the outside corner with a little darker moment here with this beautiful muted brown. And that looks great. Now, since we've got that covered, I'm going to go in with my finger to this really beautiful light color and put it on my lid. And it's very subtle. Come on, subtle. Let's have a party. And that went on beautifully. And now I'm going to put on that foil iridescent blue moment. I think I want to put it on a flat brush and dig into it. And brush it across the lid. It's going on like a champ. Oh, that's so beautiful. It didn't swatch like much, just a gorgeous shimmer, but it really is showing up on these lids. Ooh, just a little bit of fallout in the corner, but I'm not mad at it. I'll just match it on the other side, and that really brightens up my eye completely. So now we'll do some liner and mascara, and I'll be right back. And voila, we have mascara and liner, which always pulls the look together. And for the lip, I'm going to do a neutral color, and it's my favorite, number 65 Seductress from Maybelline Super Matte Stay Ink. And that is just a gorgeous look, and I'm loving it so much. I hope you have a great day or day of your choice. I think this palette is totally wonderful, and it went on like a charm, and it made a beautiful look. And it is the Bridgerton palette from Pat McGrath Labs. Have a great day. Bye.